Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video we are going to learn what is group policy backup and how to take group policy backup, how to import group policy settings, and what is the difference between group policy backup and group policy setting import. Okay, so I will show you step by step each and everything. So I will request you, please try to watch complete video, don't move forward, so that each and every things will be going to important here. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. One more thing I want to request you, just to support me, just to motivate me, if you have not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I will upload the new videos you will get the notification. Let's start now. So this is my domain controller. Okay, this is server manager. On this domain controller, you can see this is my domain controller. Okay, I am going to open here group policy management. Okay, so I have opened here group policy management. Let's move to group policy object. Here you can see your domain name. In my case it is itparivar.lan. In your case definitely it will be your domain name here. Okay, so sometimes it will be like this. You have to expand this and go to group policy object. You need to expand this also. Okay, and suppose if you have any group policy, okay, if you want to take group policy backup for all group policy, just you can right click to the group policy object here and select the backup all option. Okay, I am not going to take backup for all the group policy here. I have already uploaded the video like how to take the group policy backup, so you can refer that video. I will mention that video URL in this video group in this video description. Okay, so let's do one thing. Suppose you are working in a environment or in an organization, okay, and the same settings if your any other organization want, like if you have any company which is working with your organization, with your company, or you can say your client, and he want to also set the same settings. Okay, so you can just take the backup and share the settings, share the group, share that backup with the client, with your friends. Okay, and then they can just use that group policy. Okay, and they can use the same settings. So I will show you here like how you can do that. Okay, so let's see, like C drive restriction, or we have a disable control panel setting, GPO, sorry. So suppose if you want to share these settings, whatever settings configured for this GPO, and the same GPO if you want to deploy in any other organization, if you have any, suppose if you are working in an organization and where there are two domains, okay, and in one domain if you already set up, you already deployed the group policy. Okay, and if you want to apply the same settings, same group policy for the other domain also, in that way, I mean, where it will help you, right? So let's do one thing. Let's take the backup of this GPO. Okay, I will let you know also like what is the difference between backup restore, backup, and import setting. Okay, I'll show you later on. Okay, so just backup, click to backup. I am going to take backup for this specific group policy. Okay, if you want you can just mention here GPO backup like that, or control panel GPO backup. Okay, whatever you want to add, enter here, you can add as a description. You have to select the path. I am going to save this in D drive within the backup folder. If you want you can just browse from here. Okay, and at any location where you want you can save it and just say okay, down and click to backup. See, backup in progress. Let's wait. You can see GPO disable control panel succeeded. Okay, just click to OK. Now what we will try to do, we'll try to, suppose you shared this GPO backup. Let me open this PC, D drive, backup, and then what is the time? Current time here you can see 6:04 p.m. and 6:03. So this is the current one, right? The control panel, which is related to control panel. Okay, if you want, you can just copy this file and you can share with your friend, with your other organization, or you can just move it to the your other domain controller, other domain where you want to apply the same policy. Okay, so suppose now let's consider this is like our different domain now. Okay, this is our different domain now. Just let's consider it. Okay, and where we are going to apply the same group policy. Okay, so what we'll do, just right click to do group policy object, create new group policy like control panel disable. Okay, this was disable control panel, so I am just entering now control panel disable. Okay, just say okay, and this group policy is created. Now you can see here control panel disable, but there will be no any configuration within this. You can see. Okay, if you'll go to the settings, there is no any configuration, no user configuration, no computer configuration. Let's try to restore for this, as we are considering this is a different domain, right? And we shared that, or we moved that backup file to the different domain, or this one. Okay, let's try to restore the same settings for this GPU. Okay, now you can do restore backup, restore from backup. I will show you both things. What is the difference here? We'll see what is the difference between both restore from backup and import setting. Okay, so we'll see here like what is the backup, the restore, and what is import setting. So if we'll click here, you will see here completing this wizard will delete all existing settings and security attributes in this GPU and replace them with the backup settings. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now. Means if you will restore the backup GPU, okay, the existing settings whatever you have configured, suppose you have configured here any other settings, right? So once you will restore this GPU, once you will go with this option to restore the group policy, okay, if there will be another configuration in this GPU, this control panel disable, or you can say here, okay, that will be removed, that will be deleted. You can see delete all existing settings. Okay, so it will delete all existing settings and it will apply the settings which is existing in that backup file only, right? So let's do one thing, let's cancel this. Okay, let's cancel this. Again, go to control panel disable, which we just created. Okay, now let's click to import setting. Now you will be able to see here, like, see, you can import setting to the group policy object from a backup GPU. Importing settings does not modify other attributes of the GPU such as security filtering, delegation links, and WMI filter links. Means if you have already few settings with this GPU, if you already configured any GPU, right, and if you want to go to import settings with the any backup GPU, right, in case of import setting, it will not remove, it will not delete any existing group policy settings, okay, for your GPU, right? So this is the main difference, right? This is the main difference in backup restore, GPU backup restore, and import settings. In case of, again, in case of restore from backup, if you'll go with this option, any existing settings whatever you configured in the group policy, that will be get deleted, and the settings will be get restored from the backup file only, from the backup GPU you can say. But if you'll go with this option, import settings, your existing settings will be there, it will not be removed, as well as the other settings whatever it is with the backed up GPU, that will be get applied. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's click to import setting and let's try to import. Okay, click to next, click to next. Here you can see D drive backup. You have to select the path where you backup. So I already backed up here. Okay, within the D drive under backup folder. Let me click to next. You can see here we took the backup for this one, disable control panel, right? So we are going to restore this. I mean, we are going to restore the settings for this one. Okay, for this GPU. So just select this, click to next, next, and then finish. GPU control panel disable succeeded. Okay, means this is the GPU name which we have created here, control panel disable, and the settings has been imported successfully from that backup GPU. Okay, let's say okay, and let's close this. Okay, let us refresh again and then close this. 1 second. One second, let's troubleshoot on this. There should be any configuration because some settings already configured in the control disable control panel. This one second, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So see, there was no any configuration with this group policy also, right? So even though we have we restored this GPU backup, we imported the settings with this GPU. Okay, and as there is no such configuration with this settings or this group policy also, right? So it is not saying it is not showing there also in I mean after restore also it is showing same, right? But let's do one thing quickly. I know this video will be long, but it will clear more. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me just close this. Let me quickly edit this. Okay, and let me go to policies. Let me change any settings here. Okay, go to Windows, any settings I am going to, or let me go to system. Okay, Windows automatic update or prevent access the command prompt. Do one thing, any GPU let us enable. Okay, like prevent access the command prompt. Okay, we have enabled this GPU. Let's refresh this, close. You can see in disable command prompt script processing. Okay, this group policy has been enabled here. Let's do one thing. Let's again take a backup. Okay, at same location, backup succeeded. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, as of now there is no any settings. Okay, here you can see the command prompt is preventable. Okay, let's go to newly created GPU on here. Okay, control panel. Let's restore the, let's import. We already discussed about the differences in backup restore, GPU backup restore, and importing setting. Let's directly now import settings from that backed up GPU. Okay, next, and there will be two version. Okay, like this is the latest one, right? You can see here the timing. Okay, and no, see, this is the latest one. Okay, let's select and next, finish. Okay, close this. See, same settings has been configured here also. Okay, same setting restored. Okay, whatever the settings we have with this GPU, okay, same settings configured to this one also after importing the settings from this GPO backup. Okay, so in this way you can restore, you can take a backup of the group policy. Okay, you can import the setting, you can restore the backup as well. But as I already explained, like if you will restore the backup, the existing group policies settings will be deleted, removed, and the backup group policy settings will be enabled. Okay, but yes, if you want to keep the existing settings, and if you want to enable the other settings also from the group policy backup, okay, you can just import settings and you can enable the group policies in this way. So guys, I hope this is clear to you, like what is the difference between GPO backup restore and importing settings to the group policy. And as we I know this is long video, but yes, as we saw, like by doing step by step each and everything. Okay, so I hope this will be, this video will be helpful for you. Okay, so again I'll request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar and click on the bell icon, so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. And if you have any query, concerns, please feel free to leave your comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.